Ndị be anyị ekelekwanụ m unu. Ya bụ Igbo Media ka anyị ji wee bịa n'ụbọchị nke taa n'iru akwụkwọ iwetara unu ya bụ ozi nke na-eme taa na Abuja gbasara maka nwa onye Igbo bụ onye Igbo na-anụrụ okwu bụkwanụ ọhamadike ndị Igbo, aha ya bụ Maazị Nnamdi Kanu Okwu. Ya ka anyị ji maka ya wee bịa ngwa gee ya bụ ife dịka update ya si wee dị n'ụbọchị uruchi nke taa n'iru akwụkwọ. Dịka o si dị, obi adịrọ ndị Igbo mma and obi adịrọ ndị Biafra mma gbasara maka ya bụ ife jee na kọtụ n'ụbọchị uhuruchi nke taa. O nwere ife Maazị Nnamdi Kanu kwuru na kọtụ, ya bụ ife ka anyị akọwala uru, mana tupu anyị akọwa na ya bụ ife, gee ihe Maazị Nnamdi Kanu kwuru gwara the Federal Republic of Nigeria ha. He said it without fear. He stood on his ground. He knows his right. O ife dị mkpa n'ụwa ihe ọbụla ị na-eme eme, mara your own light n'ihe ọbụla ị na-eme eme. Okay, na nghọta. So Maazị Nnamdi Kanu said it the way it is. So gee ya bụ ife, ị ga-esi ya bụ ife, anyị ga-anachitekwa n'azụ ka bido n'ebe anyị kwụsị ka akọwara unu ka ya bụ ife si wee gaa n'ụlọ nke ọkaikpe. Over to you, sir.
Listen, this is the laws of Nigeria. The prosecution and this court doesn't know the law. That is the fact.
Yes.
Poor knowledge of the law is killing Nigeria. Poor knowledge of the law, they don't know the law. This is a federal gazetted law of Nigeria that says here that the chief judge of Nigeria cannot tell Binta Nyako what to do. It's here. It's your law. Just obey it.
Okay.
That is why I do what I do.
Okay, that's
I agitate for Biafra.
okay.
I agitate for Biafra by right to agitate. My right. They turned it from reasonable felony now to terrorism.
Ndị be anyị, ọ na-ewute, mana tupu anyị gaa n'elu ịkọwara unu ya bụ ihe, gekwenụ video nke a. Yes, listen to this video. Biko tụsa ya bụ ozi, gee ya. All right, over to you.
Binta Nyako said today, for the simple that she has no jurisdiction to try me. None whatsoever. I came out of courtesy and respect. She stands recused from my case and cannot try my case. There are things that are happening in this country that a lot of you do not know. It is my duty to make that very, very clear to all of you today. Because the lies are too much. The lies are too much. I sent a petition to NJC. I don't want to talk about it. Justice Binta Nyako is using her position for personal gain. For personal gain. Her son and her husband are facing corruption charges. And they told them that if they convict me, this is what happens. You can see it. They don't want the truth to come out. Nobody wants the truth to come out. Nobody wants the truth to come out. Nobody wants the truth to come out in Nigeria. That's the problem. Who is that person? Corruption charges. They sent her to my case so they can release or smoothen the pathway for the husband and the son. They are facing. It doesn't matter if they off it. In a corrupt society, that's what happens. They are very, very corrupt. There is a breach of judicial oath. They have violated the judicial oath. They have shown bias according to Supreme Court. They are biased against me. Supreme Court said so. And that is why what is happening in the judgments and rulings concerning me has been happening. So, disobedience to Superior Court orders. Supreme Court said you are biased. You are against this man. You should not have revoked his bail. Nigeria went to Kenya and kidnapped him. These things are in the public domain. Why, therefore, are they insisting on trying me? A court order was entered. In that very court order, it was said very clearly and succinctly that she is no more. No. That she is no more going to try me. Why are they insisting? Why are they insisting? I ask. Because they have no case against me. They have no case against me, and they know it.
All right, the leader, all right, the leader of indigenous people of Biafra, Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, obi adịrọ ya mma dịka ya bụ ikpe si wee gaa n'ụlọ nke ọkaikpe n'ụbọchị nke taa. Ọ sị, quote, "The only reason why I came to court is to respect the rule of law," adding that the judge has previously excused himself from the case. Gente, Kanu says he was not happy with the decision of the chief judge, who returned the case back to Justice Peter Nyeko, insisting that the prosecution cannot persecute him. If I for Humadike na Eku Nobosi Nketa. The IPOB leader insists that Justice Nyako is biased over his case and should not preside over his case. Okay? He said poor knowledge of the court is affecting Nigeria. All right, the prosecution counsel took an objection to Kanu remark and asked for definite the date for hearing, since the prosecution has refused to file a written application. Yeah, the lawyer Nigeria will say it has no right for Kanu to insult the court despite objection. Binta Nyako adjoins the case indefinitely. All right, that be fair. Bo kosi wega no nke ọkaikpe. Mana onye na-agwa n'obodo a na ana Igbo na ya bụrụ ofu. Ndị mmadụ eche na egwu egwuregwu. Yes. Onye a na-agwa n'obodo a bụrụ ofu, that we can never be one. People are they believe ya. Unu furu ife menu nke ọkaikpe taa. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu was not even happy. You understand? Listen, the Nigerian law, their own law, is violating his fundamental right. Akunohota. That is it. That the Nigerian government has no case on Maazị Nnamdi Kanu's trial. There has nothing to try him. That is the truth about it. And to recall the thing is that now, if you are born a me, onye ọbụla kwesịrị ị na-ekwu okwu. Bụ ndị Igbo bụ ndị ọrụ na-eru n'okwu. Onye ọbụla kwesịrị ịpụta maka ya bụ ife ozikọ ya esi wee dawazie orizie ka ọ bụ gịnị na-eme. Ikpe Maazị Nnamdi Kanu, they are biasing his human right, his fundamental human right. That is it. And it's not fair. Metia hala akwele riziri ya. Sunday Ugboho okwu freedom ọ na-arapụrụ ya. Why should Maazị Nnamdi Kanu's case? Why should Maazị Nnamdi Kanu demand him for his separation, for his betterment of his people, being a crime? That is the question. I needed it. Ka anyị jụọ ndị Igbo bụ ụmụnna anyị nọ n'Abuja. N'ife na-eme na Eastern Region now, ebi ozi ebi mpụ na arụ ju ebe niile. The only person that can stop this thing ewere ya tukpuo n'ime mkpọrọ. Unu eche ike na unu asị na na-eme insecurity and security outfit na-ejegharị ebe unu kwesịrị ikwu okwu na ama nkwu okwu ndị Igbo. Nene nwanne anyị ka eji for almost going to 3 years, the way anything afọ to try him in court. Were dre titles na-apịajisi ya akụ. Gịnị mere na ndị Igbo biko nụ? Ndị Igbo bụ n'ụzọ m ọzọ gịnị na-emenụ? Ọ bụrụ ọzọ nwanne anyị ka eji. Nwanne anyị ekwulu alụ. Nwanne ife nwanne anyị kwuru bụ ọdịm na mma gị, ọdịm na mma nke gụwa, ọdịm na mma nke ndị Igbo. Justice, fairness and equity. You be Maazị Nnamdi Kanu na-ekwu. Senior, this thing is okay. Look at the law. Then a country where Nigeria, they cannot even follow the rule of law. Their own law, they are established. They cannot even follow it. I'm telling you people the truth. It's a very big crime that Nigeria cannot follow the rule of law. Igbo m na-ege ntọgwara ka n'ọnụ mma lapụ nnukwu okwu gbasa maka ebe ife mee n'ụbọchị nketa na n'ụlọ nke ọkaikpe na Abuja na Nnamdi Kanu si na it cannot stand trial Afans no Binta Nyako Cabo George a proceed over his case that they cannot. So Binta Nyako etiego the date indefinite. Kamari ya emea. Dalu di na Igbo mana gente. Kemesia na ụmụnne m. Gwa na ifu nche n'ụdị nke unu gbasa maka ebe ife ndị a niile unu n'ebe akwụkwọ. Ọzọ dịka ibi abụọ na ya bụ Eastern News 24 tụsa ya bụ ozi. Ụmụnna onye ọbụla bụ onye Igbo tụsa ya bụ ozi ka ụmụnna ndị n'ebe dị iche iche wee nụ wee mara ife na-eme ngwanụ ka ọ dị ndị Igbo.